Welcome learners to this massive open online course on Sociology of Work. This course is for BA Honours in Sociology under choice-based credit system. So this course is to make you aware of the importance of work in your life, how work shapes your social identity. That part will be covered in this course. This course will also help you to understand how work-life imbalance can affect your social structuring, social positioning in society. We're going to teach you about the importance of work in your life, how work shapes your social identity, because work doesn't mean only the work which we do to get an income. Then other part may help you to understand how new challenges are emerging. You will also learn the role of disaster management in workplace, how to mitigate occupational hazards, how to uplift yourself constantly to meet the new challenges of gig economy, etc. And the other part will tell you what is the role of the government in all these dimensions. So students, this course will immensely help you to understand how your work in a society will empower you to get some rewards, some positions in society, and because of your work, how your identities are shaped. You are supposed to get through 48 modules in this course, and you are supposed to complete 7 to 8 hours in a particular week, and after the finishing of the course you will be rewarded with 5 credits, and of course one certificate will be given to you. So students, I welcome you all to join this course, Sociology of Work. Thank you.